Under the golden hues of the setting sun, the Maserati MC20 stands poised on a winding coastal road, a masterpiece of Italian engineering. Its sleek aerodynamic lines catch the light perfectly, creating a shimmering effect that dances across its sculpted body. The camera begins with a wide shot, capturing the car's presence against the dramatic backdrop of the ocean and cliffs. As the frame narrows, it moves to a close-up of the Maserati's iconic trident emblem, intricately detailed on the front grille. Cutting to an interior shot, the video showcases the luxurious leather seats stitched with precision, the elegantly designed dashboard, and the state-of-the-art infotainment system. The camera then transitions to a dynamic driving sequence, the MC20 effortlessly navigating the curves of the coastal road, its engine purring with a deep, resonant note. The video features high-octane shots of the car accelerating, displaying its impressive speed and agility. As the Maserati glides through the turns, the suspension and handling are highlighted, showcasing the engineering excellence of its performance features. Back to a still shot, the focus shifts to the intricate design of the alloy wheels and the gleaming brake calipers emblazoned with the Maserati logo. The video closes with a panoramic view of the car parked under the twilight sky, the city lights reflecting off its polished surface. The elegance and sophistication of the Maserati MC20 are captured in every frame, emphasizing not just its appearance, but the extraordinary experience it offers to those who are lucky enough to drive it.